This is the only turkey recipe that matters. No more bland birds around here. This is straight from the breast. Say cheese. Let me introduce you to our beautiful 12-pound bird. First things first, remove the organs from the cavity. I want you to place the bird on a wire rack. Grab a couple paper towels and really pat him dry. Cover this big boy in a whole lot of kosher salt. Get into the cavity and cover every single crevice that you could find. When every corner is properly salted like this, we're gonna place him in the fridge uncovered overnight. Please note that this step is very vital, and this will really help ensure a perfect final product. I'll see y'all tomorrow. The next day, your bird should look like it got a nice little whooping. The salt draws the moisture to the surface, and then when it sits overnight, it reabsorbs all those salty flavors. So your bird is gonna be a lot more internally seasoned. Because I love to make everything easy for you, we're gonna start off with a food processor. And here we're gonna introduce a couple sticks of butter. To this, we're gonna add a couple cloves of heartburn. Go in with a bundle of sage. Strip down some rosemary. Fresh thyme turns this operation healthy. I'm adding tomato paste because it's my turkey. Honey gets it sweet like you. Season this down with paprika and chipotle chili powder. And then we're gonna do lots of black pepper and some salt. Hey, no more bland turkey around here. The blade is gonna heat up that butter and make it into a smooth paste. And when it looks this beautiful, it's ready for your bird. I want you to gently peel away the skin from the breast to be gentle so it doesn't tear. And then we're gonna grab our butter mixture and stuff it all in. The outside is gonna get the same type of love. Again, you want every little crevice to get some love. I'm gonna stab the thickest part of the breast with the meat thermometer. And I'm gonna toss this in the smoker at 250 until the internal temperature reaches 157. Or you can easily put this on a roasting rack and toss it in an oven at 325. It takes about roughly 20 minutes per pound, but the internal temperature trumps all. Last but not least, the cavity is gonna get some onion action, and then I'm just gonna finish it off with more herbs. Oh yeah, it's snowing, big fella. That's when you know the turkey going crazy. Welcome to Michigan. She's a beauty. Thermometer's in. Low and slow we go. The real test is to see if the breast is nice and juicy. I'm telling you, this is just perfection. And as always, now bismillah. Just the most centered piece of the turkey is nice and seasoned. Very flavorful because we gave it that dry brine. I'm so proud of this one. Me personally, I go for the turkey leg.